Strapping on a backpack, a simple guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into the phrase, strap on a backpack. It's a common expression that might seem straightforward but holds a lot of cultural and practical significance. Let's explore together what it means and how you can use it in everyday English conversations. First, let's break down the phrase. Strap on refers to the action of putting on something by using straps. Straps are the long, usually narrow pieces of fabric or material that help hold something in place. When we say, strap on, we're talking about fastening or securing something tightly with these straps. A backpack is a bag that you carry on your back, using two straps that go over your shoulders. It's a popular choice for carrying books, laptops, or other essentials, especially for students or travelers. Backpacks are designed to distribute the weight evenly on your shoulders, making it easier to carry heavy loads. When we combine the two, strap on a backpack means to put on a backpack by fastening its straps over your shoulders. It's a phrase that can be used literally, instructing someone on how to wear a backpack properly. However, it can also have a figurative meaning, suggesting preparation for a journey, challenge, or new experience. Saying, "It's time to strap on a backpack," could mean it's time to get ready for an adventure or a significant life event. Literal use. Before we go hiking, make sure to strap on your backpack tightly. Figurative use. Starting college is a big step. It's like strapping on a backpack filled with knowledge, experiences, and challenges. We hope this video helps you understand the phrase, strap on a backpack, and how you can use it in both literal and figurative contexts. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the culture and experiences they represent. So, next time you hear or use this phrase, you'll know exactly what it means and how to explain it to others. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the beautiful world of English language with us.